So welcome back to our topic. We will continue our lecture previously. After we draw these arrays or group of panels, we will be putting the structural layout that we have a reference. This is the structural layout for this group, the structural assessment certificate for solar PV panel roof installation. So it is a complete details of the structural analysis. And then this is the details, and in the red zone, exclusion zone. So we need to move the panel later that there shall no panel around this red zone. So we will go back to our SketchUp, and then we start draw the structural layout. We will start for the red zone. So as we see, 7 distance from edge, and then this side is 14 long, 14 meters. So before that, we will hide the panels. The panels, we make, we put it on a tag, and then we will hide first the panel. Then we will start draw the structural 14 meters, 7 meters, and then 7 meters. We will draw again. Okay, we will move a little bit. Then up to this point, that we will remove the axis, and then we will select again up to this point, and then 7. Then remove this line. Then from here, we will draw 7 meters up to the edge. Then remove. So we already have okay, 7 meters, since it needed to be 14. So it should be 14 from here, 14 meters, and then 7. Well, remove this. So yeah, yeah, correct. And then again, we will draw 14. We'll check if it is 14. Yeah, 14. And then 7. 1. Since it's 14, we will at the center. No, 7. Along, always double check. 7. Line. Up to this. And then another 7. then remove. So I think the red zone is already correct. So the second thing we will do is to copy, select, then right click, make group, make component. We will name it the component as red zone. We'll copy that because we will create a tag. Copy, create, yes, and then on the tag at the right side below, we will click add tag, right click, paste, red zone. So we will select that and then click the tag tool. Make sure that it's on the red zone and then click the object. Click outside. Try to hide this, the eye symbol. So yeah, correct. It's already on the red zone. And then the second window is the green green zone. So we'll go back here. We'll draw a line inside of this. Okay. So we will hide red zone so we can select the object inner the green zone. Right click, make group, make component, green zones. Copy, create, and then create also tag, add tag, right click, paste, and then click the green zone and select tag tool. Press the object or select the object, spacebar, we'll try to hide. Okay, good. So first we will hide the panel and then we will color first the red zone, so we will hide the green. And then go to material. So select the object and then material, select and then in model. And then this plus sign, create a new material, select create a new material in the model plus it will automatically uh, pop up this. So you can name or not, it's okay. So but for this lecture we will name that red zones. In RGB, green or the red is 255 and then the rest is 0. And then the opacity we will make it 50 so that it will not totally we will see the background or I mean the of image and then click and when the opacity is 100% it is red all. The purpose of the opacity is so that we can see behind the color. And then space bar, we will go to tag and highlight and click the green zone, and then go back to material. We will add new. This time it is green zone. The RGB of green is 0 for red, 0 for blue, and then green. I'd like not too bright. We will using the 128, and then 50% again for the opacity. Click OK, and then click the OK. So that is our uh, yeah, correct. That is our structural design. So that's the time we will adjust the panel. Click the panels in tag, so it will show, and then remove all the panels in the green area. So we will remove all this one up to this one. So we can add panel on the other area because we aim for at 200 panel. That's only 156, so we can add panel here. So we can press move M, then control. So for this picture, we will avoid the flashing. So we will delete this area. Uh, Sorry. Click move or M, letter M, and then move the panel. We will support panel in here. Move, control, and then remove some panels. We can add panel in this area. So we can, I think, 3. M, press control. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's okay. We will move this so that we can put panel, 3 panels. Press M, press control. Put at the end to maintain the distance. 190. So I think we can add panel in this area. Remaining 10. 10, okay. We can put this panel. Yeah, that's 10 panel. Actually, we can put this area. If we can move this. Sorry. Because it's already at the edge part of the rock. We can move this panel. Press N, control. Yeah, there's no more space. Can then 97, 97 panel. Okay, prism and then we can add that is 200, 200, 200 in the model. So we already have 200 panels. Each panel is 500, so we have 100 kilowatt. So that's it. For the next topic, we will add the other component line. Transformer, um, proposed location of inverter station, PV distribution board, other important uh, component in a solar design. So that's it for this topic.